kind of stale. What's up, y'all? I know it's been such a long time that I have been away from YouTube, but you know what? It's okay because I am back and I am better. Today I'm going to be talking about my new baby that I just got, my MacBook Pro, that I am so thankful for. Like, I feel like I've been waiting forever to get this, and I'm just so happy that I finally have it now. Like, I just feel like my MacBook is about to make me so much money. Like, thumbs up below if you feel like your MacBook is gonna make you a lot of money, or it has made you a lot of money. I just feel like this little baby is so powerful. Like, I would be a fool not to be making some coins. And I need my coins. So anyways, I'm so in love with my baby. I just got her. She's so fast. Like, she's just, I have no complaints, okay? Oh, and by the way, I'm gonna insert a clip of me unboxing my MacBook, so that way you guys can see what I see and we can see it together, okay? I did get my MacBook from BrandsMart, and it was on sale for $1,179.99. Taxes came out to be like I don't know what it was. Whatever it was, we just paid that shit. Yeah, it was on sale. That's how I was able to get it for that price. So yeah, stay tuned for that video. So next, I want to talk about my new project that I'm gonna be starting. Sis, can't you just tell my whole energy just shifted? Like, every time I talk about this, I just get whoa. I want to talk about my new project that I'm starting, which is my new business. It's gonna be my clothing line that I'm starting. And I'm just really excited to start this clothing line. I really feel so passionate about this, and while I feel this passion and this energy and this drive, I want to just manifest and create and just work and just keep the energy going until like the energy just don't stop. And I just hope that it doesn't stop. I'm praying on it. I just have a real good feeling. I've been seeing a lot of angel numbers lately. If you guys know what angel numbers are, leave a comment below, leave some positive feedback about that. I've been seeing a lot of like angel numbers, double numbers ever since I started this whole business thing. So it just makes me feel like I'm like on the right path, you know, with this, because I'm just so passionate about this. So I definitely want to share this journey with you guys. Me starting this business, is online or whatever, in-store clothing, whatever. I'm just starting my whole clothing brand, and I want to share that with you guys, and I want to hopefully inspire somebody else who may be feeling like, I don't know if I should do this, I don't know if I have enough money. Girl, I'm just as broke as you, so I'm still gonna start this business, and it is what it is. I have a new computer now. I feel like I'm blessed with a new computer, and that's gonna help me to be able to put out content, because now I have something reliable that I can edit videos on and put my videos and put content out there for you guys to see. Like, I'm doing this for me and I'm doing this for you. I hope you guys like this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, because I'm about to be putting out so much videos, sis. Like, we about to get this money together. Hot girl summer, baby girl, what are you doing? City boys for the L, city girls for the W. Voila, the wait is finally over. I have my MacBook Pro that I'm about to open up. Yes. I don't even want to touch it, y'all. Ah! My whole life is about to be in this shit. Like, look how thin it is. I would say it's pretty light. It got some weight to it, but it's pretty light, if that makes sense. Unpeel the wrapper. Oh, it's space gray. And it's funny because I could have sworn I asked him for space gray at first, and he told me that it wasn't available. I don't think I asked for silver, but whatever. The charger with the little box, this heavy ass box. I could like knock somebody in the head with this. Oh, envelope, which I'm sure y'all already know about this stuff. A little book. warranty stuff, I think. I don't know. And the infamous stickers. We about to open this laptop. My phone is going crazy right now. I don't know why. We about to get it popping. Okay. So I'm gonna leave these out because these are essential and I'm gonna need them. Yes. No way. Look at that. Keys, the camera. It's just so nice. And it has a headphone jack there. And 2 USB ports right here. So this will do for now. All right, so I'm about to set up this bad boy and I'll be back. So this is it. I chose the dark mode. Show y'all how clear. There we go. All right, I see all my phone notifications is coming up on the screen. Oh yeah, this is it, y'all. This is it.